Theta presentation. While the majority of the cryptographic forms of money zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of, and exchange. There were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their thoughtfulness regarding advanced publicizing or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us really to break down the ongoing subtleties of Theta and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary forms have generally attacked the much sought-after cryptographic money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta. Fellow benefactor Steve Chen and his devoted company of advisors, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who brought this Theta crypto kind of token to life upheld him. Theta is a symbolic that drives Theta's truly decentralized video conveyance organization, controlled by clients and a creative new blockchain. Theta is an open-source convention reason work to drive the decentralized streaming organization and takes into consideration vertical decentralized applications to be based on top of the stage to empower esports, music, television, films, schooling, undertaking conferencing, distributed streaming. From there, the sky is the limit. To lay it out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm enthusiastic and delighted to be a significant job player in the arising scene of video real-time in a fundamentally huge manner. Since innovation has begun being the predominant, consider the really decentralized distributed network, Theta will tackle its majority. With the dramatic development in the advanced publicizing area, it most certainly is massively significant that there is a balance achieved among sponsors, distributors, and end clients in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. With the majority becoming in every practical sense more knowledgeable with sort of person-to-person communication and video devices related with it. There explicitly is a thriving interest for promotion obstructing programming that generally runs on an excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs. In view of our conjectures, a drawn-out increment is normal, or so they thought. The cost anticipation for 2024 is 7 cents, or so they basically thought. With a 5-year speculation, kind of your by and large current venture may commonly be depreciated. Consequently, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk 1-year speculation choice, which really is very critical. Going by Theta forecasts that bulls might be back, the cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, around $1.61 say by 2027 amazingly. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is $1.09, and information demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year, or so they thought. The exchanging volume has been $34,581,343 with a market cap of $1,094,595,488 and a coursing supply of 1 billion Theta, which truly is very critical. The cost gauge thinks about a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. Theta value expectation 2023 going by the insight about more limited and longer value patterns of the crypto gauge. It for the most part is almost certain that the finish of 2023 may not actually be so perfect for Theta coin for heightening, particularly with rivals finding the intensity or the market reflecting gigantic instability. Yet again, in any case, toward the finish of 2023, Theta will sort of reach $2.30 according to our really long-haul digital money estimate. Theta value expectation 2024 expressing that a stunning chance doesn't actually exist on the lookout, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It in a real sense is normal that Theta will run the crypto coin realm with an exhibition cost fixed at $4.20, which shows Theta has full especially potential going by the example not exclusively to maintain yet could reliably truly fill even in unfriendly circumstances. Theta value expectation 2025 this year could check the benchmark year as the cost of the Theta coin is anticipated to outperform a normal of $4 by all for the most part implies. This year, no vital variables like pandemics or downturns basically are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies. It is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would really be headed for fix work in every single world economy. And the crypto market amazingly. Theta value expectation 2026 it isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with costs of $1 finished with an increase of $5.50 and at present exchanging around $1.08. Subsequently, it has radically helped the market feeling peculiarity to trade. Merchants and financial backers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Theta following this token intently for a speculation. Theta value expectation 2027 master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. With a touch of tolerance in keeping their expectations essentially high on the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of Theta will sort of develop dramatically. by when Theta will generally be not anymore a credulous contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, however a carefully prepared player, or so they thought. The coin may effectively reach $6.84 toward the finish of 2027. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There sort of are forecasts that Theta basically is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it most certainly is exchanging inside the limits of an even triangle. The Theta coin could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $7.95. Theta value forecast 2029 in view of a consistent calculation. Theta has exceptionally momentary conventions and expected sort of long-haul benefits. The Theta cost may arrive at the objective of $8.90 toward the finish of 2029. Financial backers may truly acquire incredible benefits assuming that they contribute with impeccable timing. Theta value expectation 2030 of every 2030. The Theta coin is supposed to exchange somewhere in the range of $10.50 and $11.50, where the previous in a real sense is the least cost and the last option generally is the most exorbitant cost, which sort of is very critical. Simultaneously, the typical cost is supposed to in a real sense be around $11 in light of our Theta organization cost forecast. Does Theta have a future? Theta is one digital currency that will have a very brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will lead the computerized realm, thus as a truly method for installment, it would have a long reign in an unpretentious manner. Is Theta a wise venture? A reasonable level of investment basically is generally prudent, being a vital component here. There shouldn't commonly be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required on the off chance that you trade insightfully, facing a calculative challenge. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Notwithstanding all discussions and debates, Theta uncovers an exceptionally sound and extremely dynamic biological system. In this way, it is a genuine stage. Where could I at any point generally purchase Theta amazingly? At the present time, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance, which is very huge. When you for the most part have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH cash from Coinbase to that particular trade, which is very huge. This is done through a wallet framework, which most certainly is genuinely critical. For what reason is Theta ascending in an essentially large manner? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have rested in the resource. Simultaneously, it is a smart explanation that Theta is recorded on the trade to show an extraordinary presentation. This triggers financial backer reaction and shows an extraordinary sort of arrangement of persuasive opinion in the business sectors. No big surprise, the token most certainly shows a consistent up ascent thus.